Alright, we're cooking bread at 1500 watts right now. So let's see what's going down here. Let's see. This is doing top one's 25.9 volts in the battery. 29.59. It's about the bottom. It's 26.1. So they're reading close to the same. Off by what, a tenth, 2/10 of a volt. Not too bad. Now the oven's running off of that one, so that's why it's registering. It's pulling straight out of it. So now let's see, this one's doing 11.6 amps. This is only doing 15 amps. Okay. Interesting. This is doing 13 amps. Okay. So 20 amps. So just a tad under. Let's see, my tables are what? That'd be close to 80 amps. So let's say 70 amps, 800 watts, 1600 watts. Wow! It's collecting 1600 watts with just this. So it's running the oven directly. Not bad, not bad. We're cooking with solar, baby. Redneck style.